Today we're getting alerted anytime someone drives up to our house with the help of our new driveway alarm. Now whether a package is getting dropped off or a Jehovah's Witness swings by, I'm gonna know right away. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get alerted to. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, your power cables, mounting bracket, your base station, and your driveway alarm. The driveway alarm has a tripod hole on the back and a charge port on the bottom. To get started, screw on the mounting plate and give your driveway alarm its initial charge. Plug in your base station and then open up the Xsense app. Then click Add Device. Select Driveway Alarms, then add your base station by scanning the QR code on the bottom. Give your station a name and assign location. Then it's time to pair your device. When the device is flashing yellow, go ahead and click Next. Connect the device to your Wi-Fi, then hit Save and Finish. Now I went ahead and screwed down my sensor, but you need to make sure it's close to Wi-Fi as well as your base during this stage. So add another device in your app and select the driveway alarm. Push the button on the alarm twice and your alarm is flashing blue. Click Next. It pairs to your base station and then gives you mounting tips. Again, I already mounted it, but the main notes are to make sure it's 3 foot off the ground, in an area that can get sunlight, and not pointing at any obstructions. Now it's time for a signal test. And when that passes all its checks, it moves to the motion test. Select that and then walk in front to make sure it signals correctly. When it triggers, it will update your phone, letting you know it worked, and you could save the device. Now whenever something passes by the sensor, my phone will have a pop-up letting me know, as well as an alarm from the base station. We get a lot of packages delivered to the house, and I edit wearing headphones, so it's easy to miss deliveries. And this is going to be so helpful. Plus, it gives us peace of mind, knowing whenever someone is on our property. You also have a handy silence button that you can press to mute the alarm during those quiet times. The driveway alarm has a trigger range of 33 feet and is Ip65 Waterproof, so you can have peace of mind knowing it will be safe out there, keeping you and your property safe. And if that's not enough, you can even pick your preferred alarm melody. So if you want to have an alarm on your driveway too, this one might just be for you. Till next time, I have a package to go get. See ya.